Forrest, Griffin, and I'm here with Linda Darrow, the recipient of the first ever AirAsia Performances to Training Scholarship.
So Linda's had a history of left knee issue with some ligaments, and it was a few years ago. Should have healed pretty nicely, but she's still pretty tender over that lateral collateral ligament. So working on some manual based skills to try to make sure that connective tissue is laying down in the appropriate fashion so that it doesn't get bound down. So a lot of times when they heal, you heal a lot of connective tissue that scars on top of each other, and then it kind of limits that range of motion for the athletes, or limits them feeling comfortable in that area when that area is stressed. So we want to today work some manual-based skills in order to kind of realign that connective tissue and try to get some of that tenderness out of the knee so she doesn't have chronic problems with that.
I'll be working with Linda. It was day one. We took her through some basic grappling and wrestling assessments. Overall, I rate her quickness at about an 8 out of 10, which is really quick. So if she can put that to use and has enough cardio to keep that speed going for 15 minutes, I think she can do really well.
Fasilitas di sini UFC itu gimana dibandingkan dengan fasilitas di Solo?
Iya. Ya, oh, maaf, fasilitas di Solo memang di sini di UFC memang sangat-sangat jauh lebih baik, ya. Dan secara fasilitas dan juga memiliki fisioterapi yang sangat baik. Setelah saya berlatih dengan grafik yang sangat tinggi, dan saya langsung dibawa ke fisioterapi untuk cek body. Halo, Ma. Halo. Oh, udah tidur.